So unfortunately, this is what happens after typhoons, before typhoons, and as many as we've had. So after this next one's gone, all this will be cleaned up. But living on a small island in the middle of the ocean, yep, this cannot be avoided. A lot of this stuff, maybe some of it's from here, but a lot of it's from wherever it comes from. Oh, you can see way out there. Let me see if I can zoom. I guess it's supposed to get close to us tonight, and then tomorrow. Okay, or later with the approaching typhoon.